Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today on my Sephora Play unboxing for April of 2018. My name is Jerry and I am new to YouTube, brand new. I really enjoy subscription boxes and I do get a lot of them, and I love showing what I received on my Instagram. So I said, why not make a YouTube, even though there's so many people out there doing it? I said, why not? I really enjoy doing this. My Instagram is Skincare Glam, and that's where I've been doing this for a while now, showing all my products. So let's just get started. This is for the month of April, and when you receive the box, which I already opened, I already had made a video. Just FYI, I made a video and I finished it and it was really good, and I forgot a product, so I have no idea how to edit or anything like that, so I said let me redo the whole video. So when you open the box, the first thing you're gonna see on the top is this pamphlet here, and it's going to, for April 2018, the theme is Insta Beauty. And right on the top is a card that you can remove, and it's for 50 beauty insider points, and it's in with any purchase only in the Sephora store, not online. All right, it also has you know, on one side it has like little pictures and information stuff, and then it has the products on the other side, which I'm gonna put to the side right now. The bag for this month is not my favorite. I really liked last month's bag. The fabric, it felt like a t-shirt, like I wanted sheets made out of it. And I liked the design and color. This one is, it says make it snappy on it. And it's one of those like canvasy, this camera. It's one of those canvasy burlap type bags. Anyway, I don't really like the colors neither. And the green just seems like, I don't know. It's not for me. I'll give it away, but that's fine. No problem. Okay, so the first product I am going to pull out is this. It's a brand new product. It just came out not long ago, and it's from Makeup Forever, and it's the Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. It has SPF 25 in it, okay? This is in the shade 808, and when I first opened it up, I thought it was gonna be too dark. This is what it looks like, okay? I do have my skin tone set as tan, olive, sometimes medium I'll change it to, because I do tan. And I know I shouldn't, but I do. So I thought this was gonna be too dark though, but I love this stuff. I don't wear foundation on a daily basis. Sometimes I'll put a little concealer, and that's it. Now that is, if you could see, it looks a little dark at first, but then when you blend it, it goes right into the skin. Like, it's really nice. It doesn't make me feel oily. I do have oily combination skin, and I get those wonderful hormonal cystic pimples here because I'm 30 years old and everything is just going crazy, I guess. But it's just really nice. You could kind of see the difference in the color between the two. Now, I think this is perfect for the summertime and for a day that you don't feel like wearing any kind of makeup. I will definitely be using this for sure. And it'll help me get that sunscreen in because I don't wear it enough. The information on here, it says that it's a weightless skin tint that blurs imperfections and protects skin. This innovative skin tint lies in the beautiful middle ground between BB cream and foundation. It blurs imperfections, moisturizes skin, contains SPF 25, and provides just enough tint for sheer to medium coverage. And this is something you could use either your fingertips if you want that sheer coverage, or if you want more coverage, you could use like a sponge or a foundation brush. And bear with me a second because my dog likes to be in my videos. And here she is. So she's gonna be with us for this video. This is Bailey. Okay, so the next product, which is a brand that I really like, I use a lot, is Philosophy. And this is the Purity Made Simple line, which I really like that the pore extraction mask, which was also an option that you could have gotten this month. This is their brand new moisturizer. I was super happy to get this. Okay. It is an ultra light moisturizer with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils. I think the size is not, it's okay. I don't really use a lot of lotions, but creams on my face. I mean, when I say a lot, I don't put a large amount. So a size like this, I'll get a few uses out of that for sure. It is 0.25 fluid ounces. This is going to be perfect for during the day. I already know. In the morning, I only put, I use my face wash, toner, and just a light moisturizer. This says that it's an ultra light face cream packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils to leave a lasting glow. This lightweight lotion features a blend of meadow foam seed, chia seed, and olive oils to smooth skin's texture. Plus, its formula is packed with antioxidants and vitamins C, E, and B5 to protect, hydrate, and soothe skin. Wonderful. Like I said, I'll use this for sure. I like it. Okay, next is Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic and Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Peel, and it comes in a envelope like this, but when you open it, it has some, you know, information on one side, and then it has you get 2 sheets, 2 wipes, so at least you could try it twice if you want and see how your skin reacts. I'm going to probably use it 1 week, and then I'll wait 2 weeks and do it again just to see if it's spaced out, because it is pretty strong. It seems like it's a strong peel. It says it's a clinical strength peel with a high dose of retinol to fight signs of aging. For my skin, retinol works well with the hormonal acne aspect of my skin. I don't have very sensitive skin, so I think my skin can handle it if I don't use it every day, which is probably with a lot of people. It says that this facial peel, conveniently packaged as a wipe, contains a blend of antioxidants, acids, and retinol to protect and hydrate. Delivers brighter, firmer, more radiant skin even after just 1 use. And the directions on how to use this are that after cleansing at night, thoroughly massage treatment pad over dry skin and allow it to dry. Follow with moisturizer and don't forget to use sunscreen the next day. Which I would think, you know, use this at night, and then the next day, you know, for the morning, for someone like me with that oily skin, especially in the summer, then you would go ahead and use this, which would work as your moisturizer as well. Okay, so far I'm liking it. Okay, next, another brand new product. I got 3 brand new products that just came out not long ago in my bag. Is the Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss by Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine. It comes like this. And I believe that everybody got the same color. It's called SPL. And it comes, you know, this is what it looks like when you open it up. It has the shade circled. Okay. And I like this. I like minty lip gloss. I don't wear a lot of lip gloss, but when I do, I like that mintiness. It's like a dose of freshness. And if you don't like minty anything, like a strong minty scent, you're not gonna like this at all. Now, this is what it looks like, and honestly, I thought that this was going to be very pink, because if you could see with the bottle, it looks like it would be a really deep pink, but it's not. It's actually it's sheer with a hint of sparkle, just a hint. I would wear this on its own. Oh boy, if you could see it. Okay, it's right there, blends right in. I would wear this on its own, but you could, it's right up there, but you could wear it over a lipstick if you'd like. And it says that an on-trend iridescent lip gloss that visually plumps while it moisturizes. This ultra sparkly, cushiony lip gloss is full of vitamin E and peppermint oil for lips that stay moisturized and look perfectly plump. Plus, the tingly formula smells like vanilla mint. And it does. It has a vanilla mint smell, more on the mint side. So I really don't mind it. But if you're sensitive to that kind of scent, then I would stay away from this. Okay, now the next product is another brand that I love, and I've never tried it, so I was really happy to get it, and it's the Kiehl's Since 1851 Powerful Strength Line Reduce and Concentrate, 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. That's what it looks like. Now this says it's a fan favorite anti-wrinkle treatment full of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This is something that I am not going to use during the day. For my skin, it's a little heavy. Yes, hello. It's a bit, I think it would leave my skin greasy during the day. So I would definitely use this only at night if you have oily skin like me, especially in the summer. I mean, it absorbs, but I just feel like it would just leave too much shine on my face. So I'll use this for sure, but at night. It says this powerful serum with a new and improved formula is well loved for its ability to improve skin texture and tone while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its antioxidant-rich formula leaves skin moisturized, renewed, and radiant. Okay, good, happy. And last but not least, for this month's bonus, is the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Vanilla Bourbon Perfume. And that's what the packaging looks like. That's what it looks like when you open it up. And this, I don't understand how this was in this. I don't understand how this was in this month's box. It's spring, even though it doesn't feel like it out where I am. It is spring. This smells great. I really like it, but it's a fall scent. It's definitely a fall winter scent. It's a very warm scent, warm and spicy scent. I wish I would gotten one of the other bonuses this month, because they did have some other bonuses, and I really like when they do that, when it's not just a perfume sample. I don't mind the perfume samples. I do use them, but it would have been nice to get maybe something different. But okay, anyway, the reason why it just doesn't fit in this month's bag is also because it says here, this intoxicating scent blends vanilla bourbon with oak wood and tuberose, transporting you to a cozy couch in front of a crackling fireplace. I don't want to be thinking about that anymore. It was a long enough winter. I don't want to be thinking about that now, even though it's cold enough that I could be sitting in front of a fireplace. Now, this brand is actually from Ashley Olsen and Mary Kate Olsen, and it was created by them, and it's they created the signature Nirvana collection to represent the duality of their brand's namesake, as well as their own partnership. Each fragrance adds a modern twist to classic notes to form a unique sense of nostalgia. And like I said, it says the fragrance family, warm and spicy, top notes of vanilla bourbon, middle notes tuberose, base notes oakwood. And that's it for this month. And I know I did all my products this time, so I don't have to redo the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. Like I said, I'm brand new to this, and I would really appreciate it if you would just subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be releasing so many other videos. This is all me and only me. I don't edit my videos. This is just me sharing with you what I get, what I like, what I don't like, and I will be, continually doing these, Boxycharm, Birchbox, all different kinds, Ricky's, Cult Crushes. So if you could subscribe, I would really love that. Would really appreciate that. In the description, there will be a link for Sephora Play to subscribe, and there's also a few links in my description for my actual channel, and it'll have all the links for most of the boxes that I get. I do not get any commission off of these links. I do not get paid for any of these videos. These are my opinions and my opinions only. I buy these subscriptions with my own money, and I just have fun with it, and I hope you do the same. Thank you very much and have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.